Yes, if you're a foodie, then this is for you. Trust me when I tell us a Kingston Kitchen come right out with the gastronomical appeal, variety food, galore, Jamaican food, oh God, Mexican food, all kind of mix up and something. Boy, to be honest, me did get carried away, so I didn't vlog a lot. So I'm gonna link a channel in the description that has a whole like interviews and all of that. The entertainment was good. Entertainment for the kids, the whole entire family. Them come right out. After 12 years, trust me, Kingston Kitchen did well. I just feel like they could have done more for the VIPs and also a little bit more sample things. But yeah. Ready to start eating, man. What am I going to so long, man?
Stop, singer, me, grass, on, killer, some move, some rock, some sit, liquor, move, you, wet, keep up, yeah.
Locally grown strawberries.
Some move, some rock, some sit, liquor, move.
Amount of $1,500, you receive a discount on the products that you buy. We'd like to welcome Road Jockey. Thank you for being a new sponsor of Kingston Kitchen. Lasco, a great Jamaican company, has also come on as a platinum sponsor. Thank you so much, Lasco. We also want to thank Pure Country Juices. Again, like the best dressed chicken, Pure Country has been with us from the beginning. So you want to refresh with some delightful juices, head to the Pure Country booth. We also want to welcome some more new sponsors, Mountain Peak, Pepsi Cola, Tropicana, Patwah. Thank you very much for being a part of the...
Miriam went and she bring home me boy child. Last week was the case. Right inside the court, the little boy spotted the girl face. The mother went and called a policeman, make a complaint. And the policeman turned his back, the boy spotted she face again. So you feel keep your daughter inside. Girl look for trouble. And in the boy child and in the girl to the hole. I fell down inside that tomb. I get up in that zone, feeling quite alright. As I reach the street, a tall gentleman I meet.
Soup, it tastes so good. Spicy and something, you know? Tastes good.
Time you like to look picture. You don't like seafood and you buy seafood boil.
All I like seafood. You know, long never grab seafood, but I love to she see me and she wants. First of all, you ask.
Which way them to walk? Will I just go straight across?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the circle. Come on here, sir.
I'm soon come. The sauce and place the food. Such a brave.
Alina, ¿te pueden tomar foto? Sí. Ahí está ella tomando
Sí,
foto.
sí. Yes. Hey, ladies, start a pool with one. Oh, it's a hot.
Sorry.
Catering, okay? They cater to parties and stuff.
She pay already and the liquor, so you can go in there and give the feeling that you want.
Yeah, you want to order something? You have a party? You have what's up there?
Thank you so
Send it
much.
how many people?
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you.
Which one are we going to try first? Let's try this one. This is the chicken.
One more thing. Sorry. If you want to order tacos, just WhatsApp them.
Chef Gomez, Walker's Wood. And then I will put it